Hey guys, welcome back to a science experiment, not science class, but it might be science class, I don't know. So you need milk, a plate, soap, or pepper, and then you need some food dye. We got gold and we got navy blue. Okay, so on this plate, right over here, we have blue and then gold on that side, and soap. So, what we do is we kind of just pour it on in, and then what should happen is, as you just saw, is where it kind of expands out, which in my opinion is really cool. So that's what happens with the soap. You guys can do it with the pepper too, but I don't know if the pepper works. I haven't done it with pepper at all, so we are gonna try. And I don't know if this is the correct pepper, or yeah. So this might be a catastrophic failure. Oh, wrong way. Somewhat. I rather want to have that pepper than not, so don't do the pepper. The soap is a great way, so yeah. I'll tell you how to do it, what it's doing in just one moment. Okay, so actually now, because I got some more information, let me just add some more pepper. And then actually I need to add some soap to my finger roll. Wash your hands, kids. So let me just rub it, and then it should do it. Ooh-hoo-hoo. So it's kind of like the soap experiment, but with pepper. So yeah, and I'll tell you why it does it just in one moment. Okay, so the reason behind it is because, well, one, this is 2% milk. You should probably do it with whole milk. Because one, the milk has more fat in it, which is good with it, but the soap kind of breaks up the fat, which kind of expands everything. So I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more science experiments, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.